So what is Buddhism to you?
Buddhism is all about you. Nothing more, nothing less. And the main goal in Buddhism is to understand the true nature behind your life and your mind.
My mind.
Yes.
What about my mind?
Mind is the most powerful thing in the world. The Buddha said, mind is everything. What you think, you become.
All the other religions focus on what's going to happen to me after I die. But Buddhism doesn't try to answer that.
Yeah.
Give me an example of why.
In Buddhism, there's a saying that if you got shot by an arrow, the Buddha says, do not ask where it came from, who shot it. You should ask, how can I get out this arrow? That is
the
what...
only question.
Yes, because that is what you really need.